Good morning, I'm Vanessa. You're just going to need your yoga mat today, and this is an energizing morning flow as opposed to a Sunday morning lazy rolling around one. This is a Monday morning get stuff done kind of flow. So come into Tadasana at the front of the mat with the feet hip width apart and parallel, and let's just arrive in the body. Inhale and taking the arms up. Exhale, the hands down through the center line, centering and gathering from that dreamy space into this one pointed focus. Let's come down into chair pose with this one. Inhaling, rising up. And exhale a little deeper into your chair if you can. And last one. Exhale to sink down, staying in your chair pose. Inhale, take the arms only out and up. And if you can, holding your chair pose, sink down a little deeper. Notice if you're rounding, perhaps try and move the hands back and lengthen from hips to fingertips. Ground down through the heels. And then pressing through the feet, inhale and reaching up. Exhale, fold yourself forward and down. Inhale to lift halfway up. And let's take the right leg all the way back to the back of the mat. Inhaling and taking the arms up overhead. We'll be working with both static holds as well as more dynamic movements. So let's inhale here and just settle into the shape. Inhale, brighten through the back leg, reach to the fingertips. And as you exhale, maybe sink down a little deeper. And one last time like this. So adding in some dynamic move. This will be our inhale to brighten. And as you exhale, come on up and draw the elbows past the side waist, knee into the chest. And inhaling, landing lightly, opening out. And exhale. Could even be like a forced exhale, like a ha. Couple more times. Clearing out the cobwebs of the night. And then holding once again. So a few breaths to inhale, embody, be present, awaken. And then exhaling and melting the hands down onto the earth, stepping yourself back and into plank pose. So borrowing from the fitness model of mountain climbers, tone through the belly and then bringing the knees into chest. Shouldn't have worn these earrings, never mind. Strong through the arms. And then pressing back into downward facing dog. Inhale, travel forward into a plank and exhale all the way onto the earth. Inhale, rise up into a cobra. You're most welcome to do an upward facing dog here. And exhaling, releasing down. Rise up through a full or a half push-up and press back into downward facing dog. And then inhaling and taking the right leg to the sky once more. Exhale, knee into the chest. Not once more. I've been filming lots of sequences. We haven't done that yet. Exhale and releasing the foot to the earth. Inhaling and taking the arms up. This time, let's just interlace the fingers behind the back of the body. Reach the knuckles back and take an inhale here. So you could happily stay here, or if you're able to, up and down with the back leg. So inhale and exhale, kiss the back knee to the earth. Inhale to lift. Exhale down. And see if you can keep that right thigh parallel to the floor. And last one. Inhale up and hold for a moment. Exhale to the earth. Recoil, step yourself forward, lift halfway up, lengthen through the spine. And exhale to fold in. Come on up through your reverse swan dive all the way up, palms touch overhead. And exhale the hands to namaste. So doing the same flow on the second side, inhaling, taking the arms up. Exhale down into your chair pose once again. If you can, we're going to do Kapalabhati breathing here. It's a forced exhale, toning through the belly, maybe with the arms overhead. It'll really clear the cobwebs. So inhale 3/4 breath and begin. Not a good breath for pregnancy or high blood pressure, by the way. Inhale, come all the way up, reach to the sky. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lift halfway up. And then exhaling the left foot back to the back of the mat. Inhaling, take the arms up overhead. And then holding here, and let's just embody this breath, this moment. Embody your body fully, as in feel the touch of the earth, feel the air on the skin, feel the ebb and flow of the breath. And even just noticing what you notice here. Maybe not needing to change anything, but trusting in the power of the practice, and that when we move our body, we also change our mind, move our emotions. So remember, up to knee to chest. We'll be doing this 5 times. So this is our exhale. Inhale, step back and land lightly. Exhale. If you wanted to, a little more forceful. And making that our last one, let's then hold for a couple of breaths here. Again, getting steady. Becoming present, and then releasing and lowering the hands down. Come into your plank pose position and have the feet as wider than hip width apart. So rather than mountain climbers here, let's just start like an excited doggy, wagging the tail side to side, the heels side to side, and then maybe the arm comes up, perhaps. And then coming through maybe chaturanga to up dog, or sticking with a cobra. Find your down dog. However you get there, your own journey. Inhale the left leg to the sky. And tiger curl, knee into the chest. Inhale up and back. And then stepping the foot forward. Come up into your crescent position. And this one we interlace the fingers behind the back of the body. Keep an activation there. Through the back leg, through the arms. Inhale. And as you exhale, lightly kiss the knee to the earth. Inhale to lift. And exhaling. Inhale to lift. Exhale, lowering down. Feel this energy gathering, ready for the day. That focus, that willingness to jump in, willingness to move into your life. Inhale and taking the arms up. Exhale, releasing the hands down, maybe even getting excited about the day ahead. Wouldn't that be nice? Inhale, 2, stretch the arms, the heart lifts, and exhale, fold. Rising up through your reverse swan dive, and exhale the hands into Namaste. Taking a moment here in Tadasana to cultivate an intention for this day. Is there a quality that you want to bring in? Radiance, love, joy, laughter. Just let it, like a pebble being thrown into a pond. Imagine that pebble, that quality that you seek, thrown into the pond, and then this ripple effect out. Wishing you, dear friend, a beautiful day. Thank you so much for your practice.